Oh wow, look at these tomatoes. They're producing so much. Sorry, bad joke. We don't have any tomatoes yet, but I had to buy those. But the rest is actually from the garden. Might take 3. All right, got some onions. We'll check on the chickens to see if they have any eggs for later. Hi, Fred. Do you have an egg for me? Oh, you got some good ones. Good girl. Goodness. Then we're going to cut up some French bread and start our oven to broil. I did spray some olive oil on that. Cut up the onions, the tomatoes, some garlic, basil, salt and pepper, glug of olive oil, and a dash of balsamic vinegar. Just measure with your heart for all of those. And then throw the bread in the oven and wait till toasted. Top with some balsamic glaze, and it was pretty tasty.